can't get an answer that's an option, we have to use the order of operations to simplify the following expression. But it looks like the answer should be 36, which is not one of the answer options. Let's have a look. Notice we have division, multiplication, another division, parentheses, and addition and multiplication. So we have to know what to do first. And let me present you guys the order of operations this way. On the bottom level, we do that at the end, and that's for addition or subtraction. Sometimes though, if you see both addition and subtraction in the same expression, you're just going to go from left to right. The one above it is we do multiplication or division. They are on the same level. And if you see both of them, which that's our case here, we are just going to go from left to right. Next, we have exponents, but we don't have that here. We are safe, but I will still put it down right here for you guys anyway. So that's exp. Lastly though, whatever you have an expression inside of the parentheses, you have to do it right away. So some people tell you, you do the parentheses first. What it says is, you have to do the inside of the parentheses first. So it's the inside. So now, here we go. Looking at this right here, we see that we have 3 plus 3. That's inside of the parentheses, so we have to do it first. I know addition, but it's inside, so we do that first. That means the rest stays the same. So we have 12 divided by 4 times 18 divided by, this right here is just 6, and then multiplied by 4. Now here's the fun part, because we don't have multiplication and division left. So we are going to just go from left to right. So start with 12 divided by 4, and that is going to be 3. And then I'm just going to keep the rest. I will only do one step at a time. Continue. Again, we do it from left to right. So 3 times 18, that will be 54. And then divided by 6. And then times 4. Continue. 54 divided by 6, which is 9. And then we multiply by 4. Lastly, 9 times 4 is 36. So, I agree with you, 36 should be the answer, which is not in the answer options. And I like how you did it, you just like create your own option and option E and then just put 36. I told my students that too. Sometimes if you don't see the answer in one of the answer choices on my exam, just like put down your own answer. Yeah, but I have a way to cover that as a teacher. Usually I just put option E, none of the above. So just in case if I make a mistake in on my test, then you can just print none of the above. But anyways though, let me know what you guys think though.